Hola a todos. I hope everyone is doing well, staying well. I want to take the opportunity to give you some feedback on yesterday's Flipgrid assignment. So what I did is I actually typed up a couple of sentences that students attempted to say, um, but their sentences had some errors in it. So I wanted to take the opportunity to go ahead and give you some feedback on that. So remember when we give opinions and recommendations to someone in Spanish, we always have to use the following formula. We always take one of those recommendation or opinion triggers. So that was sugiero que, es malo que, es bueno. And then we added the word que, and then we did yo, dropo, swapo, like we did when we were giving commands to somebody around the city or giving directions. This is really where I saw people staying in the infinitive, so you really have to make sure that you're using yo, dropo, swapo to give recommendations and opinions. So just remember that you're using yo, dropo, swapo, not leaving the verb in the infinitive, not leaving the verb in the present tense. So let's do a couple of examples that people tried to get at yesterday. So the first one, they said it's important that future students study their vocabulary. So to say it is important that is es importante, right? The that in Spanish is always the que. Future students in Spanish, futuros alumnos. Study their vocabulary. Estudiar is the verb, so if we drop the O, right, and swap it, that would be estudio. Yo, drop the O, swap the O. It's an AR verb, so it'd be estudien, ¿verdad? Futuros alumnos estudien su vocabulario. So to say it's important that future students study the vocabulary, es importante que futuros estudiantes estudien su vocabulario. And I'm just going to go ahead and change this language to Spanish. Okay. So just make sure you have the estudien going. Next one. I suggest that. I suggest in Spanish is sugiero. Why don't you go ahead and pronounce that word? Sugiero. Sugiero que. Future students, futuros alumnos. Do not use, the verb for use in Spanish, usar. Yo, dropo, swapo. It's an AR verb. Usen. Entonces, sugiero que futuros alumnos no usen sus teléfonos celulares en clase. Y necesito acentuar esta palabra. Okay. Last one. It is good that future students memorize concepts. So it is good that es bueno que futuros alumnos. The verb to memorize is a nice cognate in Spanish, is memorizar. Now remember, memorizar ends in sar. So watch what happens. If I do yo, drop, swap on this, it's memorizo, ¿verdad? Drop the O, swap it. I want memory sar. So when we did cargarzars with the preterite, this makes the sound of memory zen. I want memory sen. So any verb that ends in zar, when giving a recommendation, becomes a C. So it's memory sen, con una C. Futuros alumnos memoricen conceptos de español 1. Okay, So to say, it's important that future students study their vocabulary. Es importante que futuros estudiantes estudien su vocabulario. Para decir, I suggest that future students do not use their cell phones in class. Sugiero que futuros estudiantes no usen sus teléfonos celulares en clase. Y finalmente, para decir, it is good that future students memorize concepts from Spanish 1. Se dice, es bueno que futuros alumnos memoricen, con una C, conceptos de español 1. And as always, I'm available by my email during these next couple of days. I hope everyone is doing well. Please let me know if you need anything. Y nos vemos.